So, hi Miss. Um, this is the assignment number 1, intro to make macro basics. So, assignment number 1, Econ 112. Number 1, define what is economic. Who is the father of economics? So, economic is the study of how people allocate scarce resources to satisfy their needs and wants. The father of economics is Adam Smith. Number 2, what are the branches of economic? So there are 2 branches of economic. First is microeconomics. So microeconomics studies individual units like household and firm, focusing on supply, demand, and pricing. Second is macroeconomics. Examines the economy as a whole, focusing on issues like inflation, unemployment, and GDP. Number 3, what are the 10 basic principles of economic? So number 1, people face trade-off. 2, the cost of something is what you give up to get it. 3, rational people think at the margin. 4, people respond to incentives. 5, trade can make everyone better off. 6, market are usually a good way to organize economic activity. 7, government can sometimes improve market outcome. 8, a country's standard of a living depends on its ability to produce goods and services. 9, prices rise when the government prints too much money. Last is society faces a short-run trade-off between inflation and unemployment. So question number 4, brief history of macroeconomics. Who founded macroeconomics? So macroeconomics emerged in the 1930s, largely due to the work of John Maynard Keynes, who is considered the father of macroeconomics. Number 5, what are the macroeconomics concern and goals of a country? So the concerns is inflation, unemployment, and economic growth, and the goals is stable prices, low unemployment, and sustainable growth. This impact the nation overall economic health and citizen well-being. Number 6, circular flow model. What is circular flow model? The circular flow model illustrates the flow of goods, services, and money between household and firms. Household provide labor and receive wage, while firm produce goods and services and generate revenue. It demonstrates the interdependence in an economy. Last number 7, what is the law of supply and demand? So the law of supply and demand states that the price of goods and services is determined by the relation between its availability, supply, and the desire of buyers' demand. Prices tend to rise when demand exceeds supply and fall when supply exceeds demand. That's the assignment number 1.